Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Notability, how to convert handwriting to text. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to convert handwriting to text, what you need to do is first head over and then open up your Notability app. Then once you are there, all you gotta do is just simply write or scribble it like hi, and then once you are there, here you'll be seeing this option right here. Simply tap on that, and then on tapping it here you'll be getting this boxed and freeform tool. Simply tap on freeform, and all you gotta do is just select the writing. And now once the handwriting has been selected, simply tap on it, and then here you will be getting the convert option. Simply tap on that, and there you will be getting the text option. Simply tap on that, and note that you'll need the plus subscription in order to convert your text into writing. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.